I don't buy parrots. You know, so they say I too they talk like parrots. So I don't buy them. Yeah. I'll put some for my house.
You don't go fly?
Man, if you run come out, I go pay me. You
don't train them already.
Put it inside the cage now.
Eh?
It's not fully trained.
It's not fully trained.
It's a baby.
More than not give me deaf and dumb something. Make it a talk. I want adult. I want adult first. This one where you my brother don't go. He don't go. He don't go. My brother, if he go, this one no be parrot. This one are waiting. Why you call the sound like that? It's a baby. Why are you giving me baby? Why? I want adult. But why is he doing like that? He go bite. He go bite. He no me, he go bite me. Now me buy you, I buy you. Tell her I don't buy her. Now be the old. Papi, I'm taking it to my baby stream. Don't worry. The collaboration you guys never expected.
Human being.
You'll be like, oh, man, I don't want to put
this thing, no go to shake like this.
I don't want to make it this shake. Papilo. This is very good. Just Papilo, calm down. Put Papilo. Put it. Sir, you are carrying it with one hand.
So you put that for
oh yeah, you won't go back. You may sit down for front. So I don't like the way you can. Sir, the verse. The verse. Put them. If you did,
no go for.
You no go for. You sure?
I will put my hand on top like this.
Don't kill her.
No, why?
Papilo, are you okay with it? May you answer me.
Shake.
Pillow. Papilo. He's a proud boy. Very proud boy. Papilo, continue. Good boy. Bro, if you're calm down. Yeah, take. Good boy. Papilo. Papilo. No, that's not it. Leave a game again. No, that is not a food, that is a hand. This is a hand. Don't bite me. You don't want to know anything, Abby. That one a food. He's happy. Come and see. Come and see, he's happy. You don't bring cattle. See, this one gets sense. I am feeding it. Baby is happy. I swear he's happy. Rice that I go go. Come and see, it's happy. Baby's happy.
I was stressing with these stairs.
We stress.
What did you mean?
Yeah. They look cool. You to come feed her. Let me teach you. Don't let her be scaring it again. Come and see. See. They look cool.
Let me sit down.
See. He's scared of you. This is my wife, yeah? Papilo.
No, baby.
Okay, what's your name?
Chucky.
Chucky. Your name is Chucky, okay? Chucky. No, calm down. He's hungry. See.
Chineke.
He's here.
Jeez, when they use his leg, they choke.
Nana too. He's a holder. He's happy.
See the sense you see the chop
Don't
on.
be shouting. Just
But
like
now
this.
you shout.
Come out. You go the do one small. Shooking. People don't like that shooking. I go to forget that.
Baby, not the pronounce and wait. Chucky.
Maybe we call her pillow.
Pillow is okay.
Pillow.
It's rubbish.
No, pillow is good.
Just ask AI. What are the names
You know
I
just
can
that
call
one.
my parrot? What names can I call my parrot?
Should be what name now your parrot? Should be what name can I call my parrot?
What's your problem? Which one is not mine? Let's see. Coco, Kiki, Sunny, Sky.
Oh, Sky is your name. His name. We don't give this guy more than 5 names.
Leave him. Sky is sweet.
Sky is good. Sky, take. Baby, will not bite me. Yeah.
People, see my name is Javi.
Javi. Okay, you go be Javi. You go be Jarvis. And Javi. You say, no bite me.
Baby, give me.
Calm down. You will be scared of you, I don't know.
But baby, that imagine the bite, Abby.
Don't be scared.
Baby, give me now.
That is it. If you don't want
Baby, you wish.
wait give her. No,
The short thing where you
Now the short thing
Make
I
I
give
give her
her.
like this.
No, you can. It will bite you.
Baby, give me the long one. Why you wicked?
Try this one.
Oh, babe, give me long one.
Try this one.
I beg.
Try it.
I beg.
Yeah.
Baby, please now, please, babe.
Try it. See her. It will not bite you.
Yeah, give me another one. I thought you know my divine.
He's our friend now. Now I will give her water.
Let me give you water.
Take her. Baby, don't be scared. Don't be scared. If you're scared, that is the problem. We are give her. We may fin down. Calm down.
Why do you look like?
Yeah, give her.
I see the chop.
See her, small.
Baby, let me give you water.
Come now. You get away with the give.
Chucky! Babe, let me see the waka. That's how they used to waka in cartoon. Chineke, oh. Babe, now demon you go back.
No, in the verse. Sorry. Papilo.
You don't so beg me like this, oh. Rubbish. Chucky! Babe, it's not Papilo. Chucky!
No, they change the name.
Babe, Chucky is better.
No,
Papilo is somebody's father's
I know
name.
Papilo.
It's somebody's father's name.
No. You know they get what?
Chuck. Babe, now demon be this.
It's not demon. I'll go stone you.
Sorry. Why is he doing like that?
No, it's new environment. Now so you go do.
Boy, you're supposed to talk hello.
No, now so they born you. Now so you dey talk straight.
I smart.
You will go reach like 10 years before you won't talk.
You when your tongue gone that did not cut am.
No, not for year. See, here don't stand. It was.
Okay, in the verse.
You are attacking me.
In the match.
When they bring her come the temple, he said that guy will bring her. Me play with the guy. But when the guy go,
how they play with him?
No playing with the guy. But when he call it that, they know my own face. They can't allow me to touch am small small. But when the mappy won't carry am, he dey bite there. So see am, calm down. We are your friend and family. Papillo. Papillo. Pillow.
Babe, that name dey vex am.
How we go carry am to the cage?
Babe, calm down. We'll carry. You should just calm down. May send the house first.
No, make shit for my house.
No, you not go shit.
You go shit. And this is not how to.
Oh yeah, wait. Oh yeah, wait.
No, we can't use that thing to take.
No, we can use it. May enter inside. Push am.
Still on this thing.
Catch am. May enter. He brow. He don't dey calm down. Chicken leg with this. Babe, chook your hand this side. I'ma see if he go bite you.
Don't want me for that stuff.
But you chook it now. It's you that will know if he dey bite. Definitely.
Come, Papillo.
That name dey vex am.
Is it no go bite me?
Babe,
Now because I dey scared.
you no get mind.
Papillo. Me. Hello.
Hello. Babe, hold it by the throat there.
Down.
In the crease. Very useless.
Yeah, climb it. Put your leg.
Chineke. Jesus. You don't climb back. You don't climb back. You don't climb back. Hey.
I made this. I love you. Papillo.
Babe, shut.
You don't shit.
You don't.
You don't dey shout.
Sorry, babe.
You don't shit. See, let me come clean this shit.
Babe.
May go like this. May no shit for road. Go like this. You don't get sense. I want you. When I dey carry you.
Babe, carry am.
Now put your leg again. Do as I talk. See you dey stress me o.
God. Jesus.
Kidney, join when. But babe, now I said, let's not say boobies. Yes, can if once you see people say that you want that one put them for that silent place. Let us see.
Yeah, babe, put you. Yeah, see the basket. Chook your head inside. No send the papa. Chook am, babe. Just chook your head. Force your head enter. You go enter.
No. See, I will stone you. Stop talking. You are blessing it.
Babe, you are caring for. Okay. When I dey care for my cat, you say I dey love cat pass you.
You're beautiful.
You're no boy, you're no learn. That will say you.